Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Jadsax, the saxophone instructor here in this channel. And today I'm delighted to talk on how to play with a singer as a saxophonist. Okay, there are 5 basic points to be considered before playing with a singer as a saxophonist, which I'm going to talk about today. Number 1, do not overplay for show up. It is totally wrong. The goal is not to play to outshine the lead vocalist. It is not a game of competition at all. Play at intervals or whenever you are given the chance for interlude. I've heard a couple of saxophonists playing that they don't even give a breathing space to singers whenever they have the opportunity to play alongside with a singer or to play in a band. That is wrong. Just like I said, it is not a game of competition. Alright? Play at intervals or whenever you are given the chance for interlude. Do not overplay to outshine your lead vocalist. Do not overplay for sure. Number 2, understand the melody part of every song and play alongside. Should this stop you from improvising? No. This should not in any way stop you from improvising. But do not improvise or come up with anything that will make you to forget the melody line of the song. And this is one of the major reasons it's important for you to understand the melody line or the melody part of every song you are playing as a saxophonist. Number 3, it is also important for you to understand the harmony of songs and learn to interswitch at intervals. Number 4, be creative in your improvisation. Build on skill permutations, licks, and phrases. Do not be a boring saxophone player. And finally, you must professionally add sweet and amazing melodies that suit the real melody of the song and chord progressions. I'm going to take that again. I said, number 5, you must professionally add sweet and amazing melodies that suit the real melody of the song and chord progressions. Alright? Don't just be playing out of the context. Thank you for watching. I still remain Jadsax, the saxophone instructor here in this channel. For your intensive one-on-one training course program on the saxophone, you can reach out to me by calling the number +234 8144 058 513. I'm going to take it again. +234 8144 058 513. In case you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, right? And if you have contrary opinions to these points or you want to add up to these points, please feel free to put it on the comment section. Thank you. Bye.